And to love a woman does not necessarily mean to have sex with her. And notina a da obe ware wo yire. Wo yire papa na de wo yire ehye wo nsa. De ntia oba ne papa na de ne hye wo nsa ne say. The man is saying say the responsibility and that so as a father I have handed it over to you, the man, to continue. Say a lot of women these days are materialistic. And nothing a wo bema. E ye wo na wo ye krama ya wo hwe dompe no. Hwe dompe a be kowa no. I'm repeating. We are bema now you are ready to be in a relationship or to be in a marriage. You must look for a bone you can chew. And remember, they've made love an issue of sex. Love is not sex. When you're about that, she becomes emotionally attached to you. And my young last boss, Yame boy man, one boy baby. It is a one treaty and my year, Wabrabo Baya Basa. Banek and Ebian and can secret to be chill. Say me papa ne me adada. Me stepfather rape me da. Me school teacher rape me da. Me pastor rape me da. When the lady confides in you with these things, she must be secured. Say her secrets are secured with you. Don't be a dream killer as a husband or as a partner. Be a dream builder. And remember be a one. They let their ego control them. Oh baby, on any better. Oh, you also be for me now. Now only say only mad different. Oh, shepherd I was saying. Bless you, my friend. Nyamisha, a friend Prince Elisha or Sekofi. For some time now, we've been looking at marriage, relationship, the gateway to be able to serve God well. Yeshe kwaya, Christoni ba, Christoni bema, whether we warrior, whether we relationship mo, kwaya obefa soa na warrior ebekuye. And we have looked at Emba. What a man is looking for in a woman. Now, and then you perceive share what a woman looks out for in a man. Ansana oba ebejia tum se me pese me ne bema we enantero. Ansana oba bejia tum se me pese me bre me ho ase e de ma bema we no. Ansana oba bejia tum se bema we me pese me mana sundue no ya won nioma bia esese bema no so oye no ba no ohu. The woman must see these things in you and sana oba no what me de nakoma ama kai hu say the way a emba edom is different from the way a emema do. Men are moved by what they see. Women are moved by what they hear. And remember there, the only one who a move on, and I say a Kenya on. But a madie, the only one asote and a Kenya on. Women are 90% inclined to emotions and only 10% inclined to reasoning, whilst men are 10% inclined to emotions but 90% inclined to reasoning. And memma edging a quechi fifiniomem, but a madie, they are very emotional. Bema be felice when you're bound in a dakeke, but women don't see sex as a simple thing. Etino, the first thing is that obeme biya be wari oba. Esese bema no o wari oba odo echen senya udon. You must marry a woman that loves you more than you love her. It's you, the man, you have a responsibility to groom your woman, to nurture your woman, to feel love and safe in your hands. As I say, Obana wenyano, Obano, as I say to me, etitina kopim timer, obedo, na owoncheya na kuma atoniyem. Our real any ordinary thing. Relationship is not just an ordinary thing. A young lady from the University of Ghana, Legon, came to me with a relationship issue. And the lady said she has been dating this guy for 2 years. And the only time she sees the guy is when the guy wants to have sex with her. And that is not how it is supposed to be. So we want to look at it. What does a woman want from a man? Number one, Obabia pebema or wobema ninchaya, she will feel loved. And in fact, love is the commandment and yankupon diama bema. The only thing in Yamikatre Bema say onyema oba is to love her. And that word love there is unconditional love. Remember, we have filial love, we have agape love. Se obani ya wo yere no. So obani ya wo partner who you are in a relationship with her, you must love her. And to love a woman does not necessarily means to have sex with her. Let me repeat again. To love a woman does not necessarily means to have sex with her. It doesn't work like that. To love a woman, number one, is to care for her. Now, Obabia is very attached to the papa. Every woman is so attached to her father, whilst the men are attached to their mothers. It is a one who both a man, only closer to you, Beman, than they are closer to their mother. And one who both a man, only closer to their mother than they are closer to you. And Nuntina, a dao be ware wo yere no. Wo yere papa na de wo yere ehye wo nsa. De ntia oba ne papa na de ne hye wo nsa ne say. The man is saying, say, the responsibility and me so as a father, no, I have handed it over to you, the man, to continue. So the moment you marry a woman, a juma oba ne papa, no, and no na wo be ma no, wo betwa so. It won't to me sure by him can't say, ni papa ento ka ma no, eti enisa utoka ma no. No, dia ne papa ya want to me anto aso. You, the man, becomes the father of the lady. The man is the head of the home, spiritually and physically. Eti obebia pebema ube to me show no care. The word care is love and affection. Love and affection. Utumi echre obama say udono by providing for her. I know, say a lot of women these days are materialistic. And nothing a wo bema no. Eye wo na wo ye krama ya wo hwehwe dompe no. Hwehwe dompe a be kowa no. I'm repeating. Wo ye bema na wo ye ready to be in a relationship or to be in a marriage, you must look for a bone you can chew. Hwehwe dompe a wo betumi are. Ube krama bi no kuta dompe kakraka. Na on to me read dompe no. Esno jina dompe no a on prema krama bi amere. Look for a bone you can chew. hwehwɛ ɔbaa wobɛtumi ne nabɔ bra na ɔbaa no nso ma ɔnyɛ ɔbaa wobɛtumi afiti within your means. Woyɛ adwuma, o salary 1,200 cedis a month. Utia rent of 250 cedis a month. Who use 200 cedis as transportation to work a month. You don't go for a slave queen. Those ladies are unnecessarily expensive. Etubel says she is demanding what you cannot give her. Unya oba wo betumi provide for her. Unya oba who provide so so a obetumi appreciate you. And remember bebre they've made love an issue of sex. Love is not sex. Love is caring. So o hwehwɛ nipa no ni need na wa meet nipa ni need e di ama no. Ti so ye bema na wutie mi a, your number one responsibility as a man is to love your woman. Emma bebre, the love are no papa what the mom. They are looking for that love in their husbands and in their partners. So let your partner feel loved by caring for her. And remember, baby, you don't remember the last time I told you a chair partner. You don't remember the last time I called Kroma who told me the chair, especially our Ariana Enino. Make it your habit to care for the lady. The care I'm talking about has to do with material things, emotional things, psychological things, and even spiritual things. Do you care for your partner? Oje no ho. Anasa o person ne dan ko an akọ no ho. A question anadwi me person me bisa me nua ba ma bi. Mema baby they are afraid of responsibilities. It's your no da no adwaneko. Only your bad da, she becomes emotionally attached to you. And that is why you must treat a woman well. Emma ye nyankopon last bonds. Emma omo ye nyankopon last bonds. Emma ye nyankopon last bonds. Nyame boy man wambo bibia biom. It is a one treaty Emma ya wabra bobeye basa. Emma ye nyankopon last bonds. Eti be me bia wonim se na ye treaty oba yie no wabra bo ebeye basa. So you must learn to love your woman by caring for her. And no man ketinketi the woman needs. Ebema nadwin aye stable on you. You must be there to provide for the woman. Number 2, every woman is looking for a man that she can feel safe around. It is called security. Make your woman feel secured around you. A obabia must feel secured. As I saw Banu to me feeling secured, as I saw Banu to me trusted with her security. It's about them in a relationship, not run one. As I saw who said nakedness is safe. Obana ebien na no kan secret bi kire wo say me papa ne me adada. Me stepfather rape me da. Me school teacher rape me da. Me pastor rape me da. When the lady confides in you with these things, she must be secured. Say her secrets are secured with you. Enya bema oni oba da. Upese wiase nyina hu se woni nada. Enye bema oni oba ko a na sam a waka kire wo no, you use it to fight him, to fight her. Some men even look at a man, their mistakes in the past, and even call them ashawo. If you do that, your woman will not feel secured around you. It is a sort of feeling secured around you emotionally, psychologically, materially. Materially, ebi ano ban na busu ya chene japade bi. Ebi ano ban wo sika bi da ba bi a waka akire wo. You don't gang up with people to rob her. Security. I am looking for a man I can trust. I am looking for a man I can depend on. I am looking for a man who can be my father, my husband, my friend, my best friend, my mother, and the father of my children. This is what your woman is looking out for from you. The lady is looking for Bema, Obetumia Shenema, and you hit and run. There are some men, when you are dating them, when they have sex with you, the next time you will see them is when they are coming to have sex with you again. The woman is not looking for a man like that. And if your woman doesn't find comfort in you, if your woman doesn't find a friend in your arms, she will look for it from somewhere else. A lot of cheating issues in relationships are as a result of insecurity of the women. Yes, I know this guy. He's very good in bed. He is handsome. He is rich. He has a good job, a well-paid job. But he is not a man I can trust. Because the last time he slept with all my friends. Because the last time he slept with my cousins. Because the last time he even slept with my mother's friend's daughter. The last time I checked, I caught him with another woman. No woman will want to commit a future in the hands of such a man. Obebia ne bema namwa, eye bema opeso de ne dachi, e de mouse kusuya kutamame. That is why women are able to sacrifice their joy to make their husbands happy. Women sacrifice a lot more than men. Let me say this. Men suffer, but women sacrifice a lot more than men. So let me look at one of the things. Women sacrifice to the extent that they sacrifice their father's names for their husbands. Boss and papa do say ajimai. No ababe ware. Also send them ya ugugwa. No you say ajimai no atunchen. No abefa ugugwa. No they are twin so. Ti a friend Doris or say ajimai. Or don't you say a friend Doris ugugwa. She has sacrificed her father's name for you. And therefore you must value this sacrifice. Or baby or run home for anything. So when you enter into a relationship and the lady is able to naked herself before you, it is a plus and you must value it. Trust, security. Is the woman able to feel secured in your arms? For some of you, you worry more just say the super glue, egu akonya so. Ni a chechire mu. Enya sa, the baby obeko. Some men are womanizers. And I pray you are not a womanizer. And even if you are a womanizer, I need you to understand that it is a son. Security. Number 3. The woman is not looking for a man who has muscles, macho. But Obana sheshe bema owo brains. Bema wa adwene a obetumi ne nabobra. Bema wa adwene a obetumi aboa no. A helper. Bema bi owa otumi boa na yiri ma na yiri dreams and materializing. Bema bi so crash dreams. Don't be a dream killer as a husband or as a partner. Be a dream builder. Musician bi wa Ghana ha. Wa bonyomu a. Ne nyomu no. Ahiti biase bebia. You all know her. Wayemi yo. That song now to know. She said ya ni kune kura no. Aboa no ama ne nyom na ba bedu bibia wadue. Obi nso de musician ba akonso de. Oni ni kunu omu naked videos wa bonte. Oni ni kunu omu DNA issues wa bonte. You need a man who can cover your nakedness. And madam, look for that man. Mr. Man, be that man that your wife can be naked and still not be ashamed. Bua obanu dream. Uko tu obanu no ye restaurant. No ye wo container mu a. Esese obanu hu no. Eye shop kesiye. Invest in the life of your woman. A lot of men are not investing. You don't remember the last time you chop money. You don't remember the last time you gave chop money. Don't remember the last time you paid fees. You don't remember anything. You don't remember anything. And then, what is your woman looking for? Your woman is looking for a helper. Are you helping your woman? And maybe almost some kind of BBB. They let their ego control them. Or baby on any better. Or you are saying for me na now only say on different. Or shebrand or say who are you dating? The man you are dating, can the man be a helper to you? A woman is looking for somebody who can help her build her dreams. No when you swadi hunu dada. Send you swadi hunu. Or per se, obuano. Na send you swadi hunu na nyame diamano. Utumi achieve sa in swadi. Next point. Obebia nya bema obetumi a fulfilling a sexual desire. Listen. You see ma pesika. But so ma oyiri sike wo wiase na, ma partner sike wo wiase na. Now you are not able to satisfy her sexually. The relationship will collapse. Women don't think sex, but when you give it to them, they enjoy it. A young man, you're doing sex. You must be that man who is able to have time to satisfy your woman in bed. Men for who are doing any sim. Never we ask you now no. You must be able to satisfy your woman in bed. No matter how busy you are, have time to satisfy your woman in bed. Make your woman come. There are many men watching me. You don't remember the last time you made your woman reach orgasm. Make your woman reach orgasm. If necessary, make your woman squirt. It makes you a man. Makes you a man. Let your woman feel, say you have all the qualities she's looking for. And I bet you are going. It's important. Very important. Let your woman feel sexually satisfied around you. Men got 2 minutes now. Men got 3 minutes now. Make sure you make love to your woman to feel satisfied. It's very important. That is it. So you see, in the previous video, I was saying, say, Bema, as I saw bad dressing nice. Oh, Bema, so do you know your wife's favorite color? Do you know your partner's favorite color? Do you know her shoe size? Do you know her waist size? Do you know her panty size? Do you know her brassiere size? All these things matters to women. Your woman wants to know whether you care enough. To all these things are important if you don't know. Your woman wants to feel seen. She wants to see that you appreciate her presence in your life. So she wants to feel seen. There are men that treat their women anyhow. If you want your relationship to work, then you must do these things. Simple things that means a lot to women. Simple things that means a lot to women. How to even communicate love. In our next episode, I will be talking about communication in relationships. And I'll be reading some of your questions. So wherever you are watching me from, on any of the social media handles, drop your question. Or better still, my number is on the screen. Send me a WhatsApp message. And I'll read your question. And I will answer it for you. God bless you. I'll come back to you again. Bye-bye.